Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete Facebook page permanently. As you can see, I am logged into my Facebook account. Right in the top right corner you have to click and you need to switch to your Facebook page. So I have switched to my Facebook page. Okay, so now as we need to delete it permanently, then we need to visit on our settings page, right? So here you can see, here is the top right icon. Again we will click on it and we will simply click on settings and privacy, and again settings. You need to click on settings when you have already switched to your Facebook page. Now in the left side you need to scroll down, and here is an option named access and control. You need to open it. Okay, here you can see there is an option of deleting the page permanently. Okay, if we select deactivate page, our page will be temporarily deactivated, whereas in unpublished page, again it is a temporary action, and if we click on delete page, it is a permanent action. So we have clicked on it, and as we click on continue, our page will automatically gets deleted from the Facebook. So if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check out the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can visit on the website and explore our course and directly purchase from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.